Hello everyone. Today in this session we are going to performing one practical from class 11 physics. So first practical name is what? We are using here the vernier calipers. By using vernier calipers we are measure the diameter of a spherical body. Okay, so students up to class 10 we are using for measure the any kind of length centimeter scale. Now students, what is the drawback of this centimeter scale? So all of you know in centimeter scale, for getting the value of 1 centimeter, and if you look into this students, this is a centimeter scale, and for finding the value of 1 centimeter, how many division is there? The number of division will be 10. So that means students, by using centimeter scale, we are measure the minimum value of the length will be what? Accurately, that is 1 by 10 equal to 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. So that means students, by using centimeter scale, we measure the length of any kind of object up to 1 decimal, means 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. But students, 0.01 centimeter exists. So how can you measure the 0.01 centimeter or up to 2 decimal you are measure? So that's why before 400 years ago, the French scientist, not mathematician, Pierre Vernier discovered this device, and this device is known as students vernier calipers. And you don't know how can you using this one. So that's why today our target to explain each parameter about vernier calipers and how we are using this and how can you measure everything. We can discuss every point. Okay students, now after that this is what student, this is vernier calipers. So I can explain each and every segments of these vernier calipers. Now student, this segment is called what? This segment is called inside jaws. By using these two, we are measure the internal diameter of the any kind of objects, and this is called what? This is a outside jaws. By using these two jaws, we are find the in outside diameter, and this is the tail, and this is by using these things we are measure the depth of cylindrical body or any kind of objects. Okay, so now students, in vernier calipers two scale is there. One is what? One is the main scale, and this is similar to our this centimeter scale. There is no difference. And students, one is there, that is vernier scale. So this vernier scale is movable, but student, this is called main scale, and the main scale is segregated in centimeter. So that means here for getting the value of 1 centimeter, how much division is there? 10 division. So that means the value of each division will be 0.1 centimeter. So that means the least count of this main scale will be 0.1 centimeter. Least count means what? Least count means the smallest value of this particular device by using which we can measure the smallest value accurately. So that means by using this scale we can measure up to smallest division, measure up to 0.1 centimeter, and this 0.1 centimeter is the least count of the centimeter scale. Now students, our target, first target, the what is the least count of the vernier calipers. So now students, this is called two jaws, and this is the outside jaws, and this is what? Inside jaws. So now students, this vernier scale is movable, and the main scale is it fixed. So now students, if when the two jaws are bringing to touch together, now here we are just bringing to touch together two jaws, inside jaws and outside, both are joined touched together, and at this moment when we look in there, this is the lower portion. This portion is what? This is the vernier scale, and this is the main scale. And when students, two jaws are touched together, you look very carefully, the 10 number of vernier division are coincide with the 9 number of vernier division. So students, this is what students? This is the vernier scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 number of vernier division is match with the 9 number of main scale division. So here students, this is 1. So that means before this is the 9 division, and if you look very carefully students, So that means the value of the 10 number of vernier division is matched with the 9 number of vernier division. I think is it clear, students? So that means, students, when the two jaws are bringing to touch together, the 10 number of vernier division is matched with the main scale of 9 number division, means one value is less. So now, students, we can find the least count of the vernier calipers. Now what is the formula behind this? The formula behind to find the least count of vernier scale is the value of one main scale division minus the value of one vernier scale division. Okay, so students, the least count formula will be one main scale division. M dot H dot D means what, students? M dot H dot D means one main scale division minus one vernier scale division. So from our previous discussion, already we have clear your concept. If the value of the vernier scale division will be n, then, students, it is equal to n minus 1 division on the main scale. Why, students? When we just two jaws are bringing to touch together, at this moment, students, the 10 number of vernier division are coincide with the 9 number of main scale division. So that means if anyhow the number of division is n, then that is equal to what? The main scale number of division will be what? N minus 1. And we can consider, and the value of the main scale division is x. Okay. So now, students, value of n division of vernier equal to what? Similarly, n minus 1 into x. So value of 1 division of vernier scale equal to what? N minus 1 into x by n. So now, students, what is the formula behind to calculate the least count? The formula behind to calculate least count is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. 1 main scale division equal to what? X. And 1 vernier scale division equal to what? N minus 1 into x by n. So you just put the value x minus n minus 1 into x by n. So n is the LCM, so nx minus nx minus minus plus x. So minus nx cancel out, so x by n. So this is our final result. The what is the expression for least count, students? Least count formula equal to what? X by n. X is what here, students? X is the value of one main scale division, and n is what? N is the total number of vernier division. So now, students, so finally the least count formula or the vernier constant, least count another name of the vernier constant also. The final formula equal to what? Value of one main scale division divided by total number of vernier division. Why, students? Finally we can calculate the least count equal to what? X by n. And all the students, you should remember this formula, because this is very very important, not for your class 11, this is important for your class 12 some practical also, and this is not for your important for your class 11 or 12 practical. This is very important for your JEE Main or JEE Advanced or NEET and AIPMT exam also. Some problem is asking based on the vernier scale, so that's why you need all the concept from vernier caliper should be crystal clear. Otherwise it is very difficult to solve the numerical on this particular point or on this particular topic. So now, student, least count formula equal to what? Value of one main scale division divided by total number of vernier division. This is a fine way to find the least count. I think is it clear, students? Now, students, the total reading formula equal to what? Total reading formula equal to what? Main scale reading plus, students, vernier scale reading. Main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. Vernier scale reading formula, all of you know how can you calculate the main scale reading. But where to, how can you find the vernier scale reading? Vernier scale reading formula equal to what? Least count into number of coinciding point of vernier scale with the main scale. So we can discuss everything in practical way. Okay. So let's start, students. This is what, students? This is the vernier scale, and using this scale one by one we can calculate everything. So now, students, okay, students, so this is vernier calipers, and we have already discussed what is the theory behind this, how can you calculate the least count. So dear students, this is what, students, this is the vernier calipers. So these vernier calipers has two scale is there, one is the main scale and another is the vernier scale. So what is the formula? So before I going to start the practical, first you calculate what is the least count of this device. So least count formula equal to what? Least count. So least count formula equal to what? We have already find x by n. X is what? Value of 1 main scale division divided by n equal to what? Total number of vernier scale division. So dear students, if you look into this device, so what is the value of 1 main scale division? For getting the value of 1 centimeter, so how much division is there? 10 division. So that means the value of the each main scale division will be what? 1 by 10, that is 0.1 centimeter. So you can put the value here 0.1. And if you look into this device, the how many vernier division is there? So number of vernier division, if you calculate here, the number of vernier division will be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divide by 10. So that means students 0.01. So finally we can getting the value of least count for this particular device will be 0.01 centimeter. Previously when you are using only the centimeter scale, students, the least count of this particular device, the centimeter scale will be 0.1 centimeter. So that means by using this device we measure up to accurately up to 1 decimal, that means 0.1 centimeter. But if you use the vernier calipers using this device, we can measure up to 2 decimal accurately. Why, students? When we find the least count of this device, that is equal to 0.01 centimeter. But for students, centimeter scale least count will be what? 0.1 centimeter. So that's why for measuring the least value, we are using the vernier calipers. So now next students, next part. Okay. So now students, this is the value of least count. Suppose students, our aim to find the diameter of a spherical body. So this is one spherical body. So now students, we can find the diameter of this spherical body. So that's why first is what? You just put this device into between the two outside jaws. Okay, so this part is over. We can just put this object or spherical body between the two outside jaws, because our target to find the not internal diameter of the spherical body, external diameter. So we just put this one. So you can calculate what is the value of first one is the what is the value of main scale division. What is the way to find the value of main scale division? So now students, this is what the first line of vernier scale is indicate here the 0 line of the vernier scale pen. So now students, the vernier 0 is coincide with the main scale will be this up to what? 6, and after the 2, then 6.2 is what? 6.2 is the main scale division. So main scale total reading formula equal to what? Main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. Main scale reading we can find what? 6.2. Now student, vernier scale reading find. Vernier scale reading is what? Vernier scale reading, students, least count into number of coinciding point of the vernier division with the main scale. So we have already find what is the value of least count, and that will be equal to what? 0.01. And now students, what is the number of, and second point is very important, how can you calculate the number of vernier division which is exactly coincide with the main scale, students. So now students, here the vernier division is there. So which number is exactly match with the main scale division? So according to my eyes, it will be number will be 4. So you can multiply, so 4. So 6.2 plus 0.01 into 4, the final results will be 6.24 centimeter. So by using vernier calipers, we measure up to 2 decimal. But if we are use the centimeter scale, by using we can measure up to 1 decimal. So that means up to 6.2. But if we are using the vernier calipers, so that moment we measure up to 2 decimal accurately. And one thing, next part is error part. So dear students, error means what? If anyhow when the two jaws are bringing to touch together, these are two jaws, and when the two jaws are bringing to touch together, if the 0 of the vernier does not coincide with the 0 of the main scale, so that means the instrument have some error. So anyhow in this device, the zero of the main scale and the zero of the vernier, they are coincide to each other, so that means the instrument have errorless. So now students, the way to find, if anyhow students, if this instrument, if the zero of the vernier is coincide with the zero of the main scale, so that means no error. If they are not coincide to each other, so that means the instrument have error. Error are mainly two types, one is positive error and another is negative error. So remaining part we can discuss in the next class. So today up to this, before I am going to finish my class, I can just revise all the parts. So now, okay, so before I going to finish my class, I just repeat once again everything. So dear students, today our target to find the diameter of using vernier calipers. So before I going to start my experiment, first you target to find the least count of this device, and we can find the expression. What is the value of expression for least count? That is x by n. So why we can, x means what? The value of one main scale division. N is what? N is the number of vernier scale division. So the least count or vernier constant formula will be value of one main scale division divided by total number of vernier division. So in this device, the value of vernier division will be what? 10, and when you calculate the value of each main scale division will be what? 0.1 centimeter. So finally we can get the results 10 by 0.1 by 10, that is equal to 0.01 centimeter. So that means students, by using this device we can measure up to accurately 2 decimal, means 0.01 centimeter. So after that we can find the diameter of the ball, and finally the results will be 6.24 centimeter. And if we are using the only normal centimeter scale, that time we can get the results up to 6.2. So that's why now student, that's why for measure the value of the length of any kind of object accurately, more precisely, we are using vernier calipers. So that's all for today's class. Thank you very much for watching my video classes.